Today's topic is sunscreen. Everybody knows we need to wear sunscreen outdoors, but it's equally important to wear indoors. We're exposed to UVA lights all day, whether indoors or outdoors. My favorite is the Sonage Protec Plus Mineral Sunscreen. This is going to protect from UVA rays and UVB rays. One of the most important ingredients in here, in addition to the sunscreen, is cocoa butter for hydration, hyaluronic acid as a humectant to help retain moisture. One of my faves. Now I'm going to show you how to apply it. To apply your sunscreen, especially a physical sunscreen, is to apply a small pea-sized to dime-size amount. Gently pat into the skin. Make sure not to miss any spots. Make sure you get around your nose, your jawline, around your eyes, into the hairline, and don't forget your neck and décolleté as well. This is a great illustration on why it's so important to wear sunscreen indoors. As you can see, UVA rays go directly through the window, while UVB rays are blocked by the window. UVA rays are the rays that cause aging, while UVB rays are the rays that cause burning. I'm sure by now you guys have seen this photo making its rounds on the internet. This is a truck driver who's been driving for over 28 years without sunscreen. You can see a lot of visible sun damage on the left side of the face, which is closer to the driver's side window. You see a lot less sun damage on the right side of the face, which is not as exposed to as much sunlight. In conclusion, this is why it's so important to wear your sunscreen every single day. Zinc oxide is one of the only ingredients that protects you from UVA and UVB rays.